In this video, I'll be explaining you guys on how to fix InfiniteCraft not working. So let's get started. So if your InfiniteCraft just won't load or the combinations aren't working, in this video I'll be showing you a few quick fixes on how to solve your problem. So the first step is to just go ahead and reload your page, or if you're on mobile or on iPhone, just go ahead and swipe the app off and restart it, because sometimes all the game needs is just a fresh start, because this helps clear tiny or temporary glitches fast. So step 2 is to open an incognito or private browsing window and then load InfiniteCraft, because if the game works here, then that means a browser extension is probably blocking something. So if you're in the browser, just go ahead and click private window or incognito tab and search InfiniteCraft here again and see if that works. If it works, that means your extensions might be the problem. One of your extensions might be a problem, which brings us to the next fix, which is to remove your ad blocker. In my case, I don't have an ad blocker to show you guys, but most people do have an ad blocker, and actually I do have an ad blocker. It's a built-in ad blocker. So what you could go ahead and try to do is disable that ad blocker and see if that fixes the issue, because what ad blockers usually do is they block JavaScript or the codes from the games which are needed, and disabling ad blockers fixes the issue. It might not just be the ad blockers, it could be some other extensions. So just go ahead and try disabling them and enable them one by one till you see the issue. But if extensions are not the problem, then the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies, or clear the app's data on Android, because corrupt cache can break the game's logic. So if you're on iPhone, deleting the app and reinstalling it would fix it, because it reinstall all of the app's data. If you're on Android, you'll go to settings, apps, then to InfiniteCraft, then storage and clear cache. If you're on PC, you want to go to browser settings and then proceed to privacy and security, and proceed to delete your browsing data just like that, and your cookies obviously. But if this still doesn't fix the issue, then just try opening the game on another app, or not another app, on another device. So if you're on PC, then try opening the game on your phone or on your iPad perhaps, and that might solve the issue. But if that still doesn't work, then try disabling the VPNs if you have them on. That is, if you have any kind of VPN and you have enabled it, try disabling them. Check your proxies and check your firewall. There might be some issue with that. But if there's none, then the last step is to just go to the official page for InfiniteCraft, or visit the community threads and see if there's maybe a server down issue or some kind of update. So maybe the devs have stopped some kind of mini update ready, and so they have disabled everyone from playing. So what you could do is search InfiniteCraft community, and there's a lot of communities on Reddit, where they post a lot frequently, and you can go ahead and see if there's an issue there. If there's an issue, someone must have posted about it, something like there's an update coming or something like that, and then it might be a common issue amongst other people as well. If not, if it's just a personal issue, then finally, if nothing else has worked for you, what you can do is go to their original website, go ahead to menu, go into their bot section and try joining their Discord server, because there's a support channel there, and you can contact their devs and stuff and try finding out what the problem is with you or with your InfiniteCraft. You can also explain them what kind of fixes you have tried and what you haven't, so they'll know what exactly the issue is, and they can help you fix it. So anyways guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.